these teams are generated and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate teams. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. In this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Royal Challengers Bengaluru and CSK, which is Chennai Super Kings, using our beautiful team generator software. So what we are going to do in this video is that first of all we will analyze the data, and based on some specific points that we have analyzed, we will generate the teams using our software. So let's analyze the data that we have. So the probable playing 11 from the RCB side will be Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli, Shadab Ahmed, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers, Washington Sundar, Kyle Jamieson, Kane Richardson, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Siraj and Yuzvendra Chahal. Basically Devdutt Padikkal and Virat Kohli are in good touch, as well as obviously Glenn Maxwell and AB de Villiers are also in very good form. So you can consider making these players into your fantasy team. As well as from the CSK side, so the probable playing 11 will be Rutraj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ambatar Rayudu, MS Dhoni, Sam Curran, Ravindra Jadeja, Deepak Chahar, Shardul Thakur and Lungi Giri. So here the points, some of the points I will discuss right now. These are very important points here. Here Kyle Jamieson and Mohammad Siraj, these are the two boys who are bowling the death overs along with Harshal Patel from the Royal Challengers Bengaluru. And from the CSK side, so Shardul Thakur and Sam Curran are the death bowlers. That means obviously that death fast bowlers, the bowlers which bowl the last overs, will have more wickets than the other bowlers. So you have to decide basically if the team is batting, for example RCB is batting first, that means you need to pick the death bowlers from CSK side. I mean you need to pick Sam Curran and Shardul Thakur definitely in your team when if RCB is first batting. As well as if CSK is first batting, you need to pick Harshal Patel or Mohammad Siraj or Kyle Jamieson as the bowlers from the RCB side, because whatever the team that bowl first will have more likely to take more wickets than the other team. That's what I'm saying. Just if you don't understand what I'm saying, I'm really sorry, because I cannot speak Hindi. I'm basically from South India. So whatever the things I will explain you right now, I will please watch this video till the end. You will definitely understand. So after that, the top players from both the side, from the RCB side, it will be Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers and Kyle Jamieson. And from the CSK side, Rutraj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ambatar Rayudu and Sam Curran. And let's analyze some of the players that we can consider as a captain potential player in our software. So the captain potential player from RCB side will be Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell and AB de Villiers. And from the CSK side, it will be Rutraj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali and Suresh Raina can be considered as a captain potential players. As well as the vice captain players from the RCB side, Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers and Kyle Jamieson. And from the CSK side, Rutraj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ambatar Rayudu and Sam Curran can be considered as vice captain players. So let's discuss the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a batting pitch. So the average score will be 171. That means we can expect anything around 350 plus runs out of 40 overs for the today's match. That means there is going to be a lot of runs, as well as there is going to be some of the wickets for the bowling first team. That means the team which bowls first will have more wickets, because at the last overs, that means at 16 to 20 overs, the batsman more likely to go for big hits and got out for the fast bowlers. That's why I will discuss more in this video. So let's analyze some of the specific points that we can use in this software in order to crack the Grand Leagues. So the specific points will be the team credit range. The total team credit range will be 99 to 100. That means we need to generate the teams which are in the range of 99 to 100. And for the and both RCB and CSK are equally balanced teams, and we can take 6 players from RCB and 5 players from CSK, as well as 5 players from RCB and 6 players from CSK. And also let's analyze some of the best combinations. Here in this match, we just need to go with the one wicket keeper. Just trust me, just go with the one wicket keeper, because Dhoni is not in good touch in terms of fantasy points. He's not getting good fantasy points in the earlier matches as well. That's why you can skip MS Dhoni in your teams and just go with the AB de Villiers, who is wicket keeper. So 1 wicket keeper and 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounder, 3 bowler. 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 3 bowler. 1 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, 4 all-rounder and 3 bowler. These are the combinations that I feel they will be in the dream team Grand League winning teams. And after that, so by using all the data that we have discussed, let's generate the teams in our beautiful team generator software. So let's jump into our software. This is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software is a team generator software which can be used for Dream11, My Team 11, MPL and other applications it supports. And those who want the software, those who have interest can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. First of all, let me click on cricket here. After that, generate teams. After that, we need to choose the fantasy, which is Dream11, and after that continue, and we need to choose the series. Here IPL is the series. Continue, and there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are those for who don't have much knowledge on cricket, just they want the teams. Then software will take care of everything. That means captain selection, strategies, credits, everything will be taken care by the software. But this is a third section that I am talking about. It is more powerful section, which is advanced generation section. We need to click on this one and choose teams. We need to click on RCB versus CSK. After that, continue, and we need to give match number. You can give any match number, no problem at all, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams are stored within your device. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as laptop. So you can give any match number. I am giving 190 as the match number. After that, continue, and you need to select at least 6 players from each side. So I would like to select all the players that I have given in the slides. Just let me quickly select all the players. So these are the players from RCB side. So these are the players from RCB side, and from the CSK side also. Let me quickly select the players. And Ravindra Jadeja, Moeen Ali, Sam Curran, and so these are the players from the CSK side. After that, continue, and after that we need to select the fixed players. You can select any number of you can select anywhere between 0 to 9 fixed players. That means whatever the player you select in this section, that player will be there in every team, every generated team. That's why you need to be very careful while selecting these players. So you can just leave this section as well. There is no problem at all. If, for example, what I recommend to you is that if RCB is batting first, select to CSK fast bowlers. Or if CSK is batting first, select RCB fast bowlers. I mean, for example, if CSK is batting first, select Siraj and Harshal Patel and Kyle Jamieson. Siraj and Harshal Patel, or Siraj or Kyle Jamieson or Harshal Patel, like this you need to select. For now, let me select. I feel Virat Kohli will definitely play on today. Will get good runs, and also you can select. You can select Suresh Raina as well. You can fix Suresh Raina, or you can fix Faf du Plessis as well if you think he will play today, if he play well today. After that, continue, and you need to select the players you want to consider for captain. I have already given you some of the players you can consider as captain, so you can select all these players that I have given. And from the CSK side, these are the players that you can consider as captain, and continue. And from the vice captain side, you also you need to select the vice captain players as well. I have already given you the players that you can consider as vice captain, so we forgot to okay. After that, from the CSK side, Faf du Plessis and this player. Okay. So so after that we need to click on continue, and we need to give the team partition strategy. I have already given you the team partition strategy, which is 5-6 and 6-5, and credit range of 99 to 100. So I have forgotten to fix the AB de Villiers in this generation, but I highly recommend you to fix the wicket keeper as AB de Villiers. Don't take MS Dhoni as the wicket keeper. As far as I concerned, if you feel MS Dhoni will play, you can go with him, but I feel he is not gonna get good fantasy points today. So after that, I have already given you the strategies as well. So go with the strategies that I have given. These are the strategies. And 1 3 4 3, these are the 3 strategies that I have given. After that, continue, and we need to select the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate anywhere between 1 to 3,333 teams, but you don't need that many teams. You just need 11 teams. That is definitely enough in order to crack the grand leagues. So let me quickly generate the 11 teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very, very accurate teams. So I highly recommend you to follow the video as far as it is, and also add your prediction skills also. And if those who new to this software and new to this video, please you can contact me in the description box below. I have provided you the contact details. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, you can go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.